You guys, it is day 6 as we continue this journey on self-discovery. If you're still with me, thank you so much. If you're new to these videos, my name is Brittny Fontanez, and I thank you dearly for being here with us as we explore our souls and gain this wisdom of this true understanding of this essence of life. So today's topic, I'm ready to get into this. I hope you guys are ready to dive deep into the truth. So here we go. Variety equals unity. What do I mean by that? What I mean by variety is, let's get real now. White lives, black lives, Puerto Rican lives, different species lives, plant lives, everything lives, are not the only lives that matter. All lives matter. All of them matter. Without variety, how would there be uniqueness in life, to be quite honest? Honestly, like what I started to see when I started to really awaken to this understanding of what life is really all about beyond the physical essence, I started to really see the beauty within variety, because we're all equal. We're all here wanting the same thing, doing the same things, trying to live this life and experience it and grow with it and create something of it. We're all here for the same reasons. And it's crazy how we've grown into this mindset where we separate ourselves and thinking that variety is bad when really differences is what we need. Think about it. If we only had scientists, how will we have creative people to direct these movies that we watch, or have this entertainment that we watch, or just have these things that they create in order for us to live in our house, in our homes, or everything? Yeah, technology is great, but if we wouldn't have people to build those hotels, wouldn't have these people who construct the buildings, you get my point. Variety is needed. Variety is definitely unity. Everything has a reason to be here and a place for it. It's all here for a reason. Everything has a meaning. All lives matter. And it's very important to come to understand this, is because we all need each other. Think about a time when you were really low and you just didn't know how to help yourself. Was there someone there to help you? Even if that person had his own differences, their own opinion, their own ethnicity, their own religion, were they there for you? You got to think about it that way. You're not alone in this. Yes, you have your own gifts, you have your own uniqueness to your being and yourself and the reason why you're here. But that does not mean you're the only one that's here. Now, I'm not saying to always not put yourself first, to always put others first. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that be humble and understand that your life matters and others' lives matter. I'm not saying you got to put up a bullshit. No, don't do that. I'm just saying accept everything the way that it is, because it all is here for the reason, the same way you are here for a reason. We need different opinions. Like as much as we can't stand people having their own opinions, it's all needed. This is how we come to understand life. This is the uniqueness. This is how the universe works. This is its creation. Realize that all of this variety is magnificent. It is beautiful. Everything intertwined and interconnected. It all brings out this wonderful, magnificent picture that we call life. And majority of us don't see that because we were taught not to love, not to accept, not to understand, not to have empathy of differences. And that's really heartbreaking. It's because we're all fighting. We're all fighting. We're all evolving. We're all healing. We're all growing. We're all in this together. There is no reason why we should be so quick to tear someone down when we should be really quick to want to lift someone up. I come to understand you may have your own issues, you may have your own problems, but you're not alone. And I definitely want to give a tip on this, is that I used to be just like this, and I see a lot of people, majority of people still do this, is that, when there's a circumstance that happens, or a situation that happens, and you're really at a low state to the point you can't even lift yourself up. And majority of people like that, and including myself a while back, is where I would always put myself in this isolation. What I mean by isolation is that I would always separate myself to think that I was the only one with that problem. And that really brought me in a low state, and I really was hard on myself, and I really, really felt alone. But now I started to look at it in a different way, to really lift my spirit and to keep my faith and to keep me going. So anytime anything outside of me happens and I'm in that low state where it's kind of hard to lift myself up, I immediately, instead of go to isolation in my mind, I immediately start to think of a picture of a unity of people with the same problem. And what's really great when I started to visualize that is that it brought me such a sense of comfort. And with that comfort, I started to feel connected to the universe. I started to feel connected with life, and I started to feel connected with everything of this creation of life. And that just brought me such comfort to the point I went back and immediately went back into a gratitude state and immediately lifted up with my joy, immediately just became myself again. And that was such a heartwarming feeling. And it really, like, just that one thing that I started to do for myself really helped me to understand that I am not alone in this world. And it really taught me how to learn to accept and love differences in life, because it is all needed. It is all helpful. I don't care if you had a bad memory or had a bad experience in life, get rid of it. Get over it. Let it go. Understand. Like, I'm not gonna lie, you may have a memory or an experience like, oh, someone a different race or a different color did something mean to you. All of a sudden you hate that one race, that same race, those same people, anything. Or there was people of the same religion. You may hate all of it, but it's all needed. It is all. Think about it. You have to think about it this way. We need failure in order to know success. We need hatred in order to know love. We need different opinions in order to know what our right is, what our word is, what our power is, what is our opinion, what is our saying in this. We need all of this. It all has a sense of purpose here. This is why it all exists. So understand that variety is unity. Everything is a whole. Everything is one. We are one, and one is all. And it's so beautiful to start seeing it that way, is because when you start to get connected with life, you really start to get connected with yourself. You get connected with that. Ooh, you feel so whole, into this point of oneness. And this oneness makes you feel inevitable. It makes you feel like you can do anything. And don't you want to feel like that? Don't you want to feel a sense of purpose that you can do, be, or have anything that you want? Ooh, doesn't that feel good? Don't you want to be connected in one with the universe that really wants to give you all that you deserve? Oh, don't you want to feel that? Don't you want to learn to love everything and accept everything the way that it is, so you can learn and accept everything of yourself, so you can gain all that you deserve? Oh, because the universe wants to give it all to you. But how are you going to be able to receive when you're not able to accept and love and everything the way that it is without complaining? This is the thing that's really bad about society, is that we complain so much. I'm not gonna lie, I fail at this, and sometimes I still fail at this, but complaining does nothing. Acceptance does everything. Now, I'm not saying acceptance to the point you gotta deal with someone's bullshit or deal with some dumb stuff. No. Accept everything the way it is. Accept the person if they're cruel. Accept the person if they don't know how to love. Accept the fact that your car broke down. And accept the fact that people are hollering on the other side of the street and you can hear them in your backyard. It just accept the fact that there's differences in life. It's all needed the same way you're needed. Ooh, the same way you're needed, everything is needed. The same way everything is needed, you're needed. Ooh, everything has a purpose, everything has a meaning for this life, and everything is here for a reason, and everything is really here to help you. to help you understand you, to help you gain you. Why do you think people travel? People travel because they want to see the differences of life. But when they see the differences of life, they feel the difference within themselves. They start to really understand that they are connected to everything in life. This is why we want to explore. This is why we want to venturize. It's because this is really what we need. Variety is everything. Variety is unity. Variety is experience. Variety is love. Variety is everything. All lives matter. You matter. Religion matters. That person's opinion matters. Your vote matters. Whatever. All of it matters. So let's stop separating ourselves. Start connecting. Start become one. Like, I noticed that we don't get out as much because of social media, but since you're on social media a lot, just connect with people. You never know who you could talk to. You never know who you can find. Most of you are sketchy about that, but listen, we have come so diverse. It is nuts. It's to the point that we all think we all have our each own creator, when it's not like that. When we're all living this life, we're all mind, body, and soul accumulated into a physical individual. So we're all special. And I really hope you guys gain some wisdom from this topic today. I really wanted to share that because, I love life and I love everyone. I may not know you. I may not know anything you have done, but I love you as it is because we're all here together. We're all here in unity. We're all here as a whole. We are one and one is all. Just remember that. We are one and one is all. And I love you guys dearly. Connect with me anytime. I love networking. I love talking to anyone, not just about issues or problems, but I love talking about life. I love talking about successes. I love talking about just life as a whole. Just connect with me, network with me. We're all in this together. You're not alone on anything. Let me tell you, you're not alone on anything. You matter, your life matters, and everything else matters. So we're all here for a beautiful reason. So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on day 6. Definitely join me tomorrow on day 7. We'll definitely dive into that topic and continue this journey on self-discovery. Thank you for being here with me today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blissful night, and namaste.